Welcome, welcome. Okay, in this video we're going to be replacing the power window switch in this Lincoln Towncar. Word on the street is this passenger window switch doesn't work. It does occasionally work. What about from over here? Alright, so confirmed bad switch. Alright, so what we've got to do here is pry up on this little wooden guy without breaking it. I got my metal pry tool, which we probably won't be using. I'll use the plastical ones. We'll pry this out, get the switch out, and replace it with our newfangled one. Okay, so we have her out. As you can see, we have on this side this thing that affixes in here. We have another one right there. And that one right there. So, three things hold it in. Just use your plastical pry tools to go in, pop it out, pop it out, pop it out, and then you'll have to slide this wooden piece out from under the lip down in here. And then we can unplug and plug the new switch in. Okay, so when we pull our entire panel over here, we can unplug the electrical connector by pressing down on this tab and then pulling it, which I'm going to need two hands to do, but you'll simply just press down, pull out, and that'll unplug it, and we can get her out. Okay, and with the electrical connector unplugged, if we look here, it looks like we have one tab here holding our switch in, and then another one on the other side, on the back side, kind of right here. So kind of catty corner of each other. So press in with your pick here. We'll do it on the back side. This will pull out. We'll put the new switch in, test and see if it works. Okay, so we got our Ford part out. Looks like 2 connectors, 3 connectors. Does say Ford 20. It's got this little barcodey thing. So this is not a Ford part. And if I'm not mistaken, aren't these two switches different? 3 on the bottom, 2 on the top. 2 on the bottom, 3 on the top. Huh. Well, I mean, I guess I could rotate it, but the cap is on backwards then. Because this notch should be on top, so now I guess I'm going to have to take this off and flip it around. So that's probably what the thing is. Whoever assembled this put this on backwards. Alright, no biggie. We'll swap that around and then put it on and see if it works. Okay, with our switch flipped to the correct direction now, and let's plug back in. Alright, switch is fixed. Flip it back through here and set that back down and we're done. Alright, and that's all, folks. Just make sure that you careful when you put it in, don't hit this or anything. Just snap this side, snap that side. It'll be down where it's supposed to, between this little gap here. And that's it. We now have a fully functional replacement aftermarket switch. I recommend the Ford switch, though. That way you don't have to go through that. If you put it on backwards, you have to flip the switch around. But a minor inconvenience at the most. So now we're fixed. We have power windows with this switch. So that's it. Easy enough. Lincoln Towncar, 2003. How to replace your window switch, the front passenger side. And yes, I know it's not the most riveting content on this channel, but it'll have to do for now until I can get everything done for that major project we have releasing soon. So it's almost going to be revealed. Just got to get a few more things done with it, and then we'll have have a lot of stuff ready for you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.